So, what is the story with this monument actually? I don't know. I passed many times from here, but...
That there is Wellington's monument.
Oh, is that the Wellington?
That is Wellington's monument, yes. It was constructed on behest to kind of memorial Wellington and all of his great deeds. Note, I say that sarcastically. Now, Wellington did do a few things. You know all the Martello towers that are around up the coast? He built them. Now, he built them for a particular reason. He wanted to stop Napoleon. Napoleon was on the march all across Europe.
Yeah.
He was threatening to take out England as well, make it part of a big, huge empire for the French. And he was afraid that the French would actually, by using the English Channel, go into Ireland and attack that way. So all along the east coast is where these Martello towers are located. The idea behind them was there'd be people manning these towers.
Don't they have them on the west coast?
They have a few on the west coast because they were afraid he might go that way, because Napoleon was devious. He was genius, you know. And despite all the things, he wasn't a small man. You know, they'll always kind of say Napoleon was small.
Yeah.
No, he was 5'8", which was normal for that period in history.
Yeah.
The only reason why people think he was small is because King George called him a small, odious man, which was an insult at the time.
Okay, but King George, when you go to Holt, you can see his steps. They are smaller than mine.
Yes, they are. So, I think he might have had a size issue, we don't know. Maybe, maybe not. We can't tell. Maybe he just had dainty dancing feet. but no, so this was to prevent Napoleon getting into England, getting into Ireland, having a foothold, and then attacking England from both sides. Deer poop.
Yeah, deer poop. So they must be somewhere near. This one looks fresh.
I'm not gonna stick my hand in it to see if it's still soft or anything. There's many things I would do, but that is not one of them.
Don't make me laugh.
Why not?
What do you see, Elaine?
You see the hollow?
Yeah.
In that tree?
Yeah. What is in there?
Does it look like a doorway to you?
A doorway? No, I don't think so.
Why? People believed in the olden days that that was like a leprechaun's lair, as it were. So you go into one of these holes and then down into the underworld to where the leprechauns were. And this is the doorway they would actually kind of come out from. It does look like a doorway though, doesn't it? If it wasn't for this railing...
You would go to check it out.
You know me. I'm all about the mystery. I'm all curious. I'm all kind of stubborn and curious when it comes to things.
I think by the end of the day I will lose a lot of hair.
So this was the Mish-Mash Edition for 2021. I hope you have found it interesting or funny. Let me know if this is something you would like to see in the future. Thanks for watching, stay safe and see you soon.